Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to revert or restore Shopify theme template files. If you've ever accidentally deleted or modified code in your Shopify theme and need to get it back, this process will save you a lot of headaches. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find various options for managing your store. Click on Online Store. This section is where you control the appearance and functionality of your storefront, including your theme and its underlying code. Now, you should see your current template displayed. Look for the three dots beside your active theme. Click on those three dots and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Code. This action will take you into the code editor where you can view and modify all the files that make up your theme. At this point, let's navigate to the Templates section on the left side of the code editor. Click on Templates to expand this folder. This is where all your template files are stored, controlling how different pages of your store are displayed. Now, click on any file within the Templates folder. For this example, let's say you accidentally delete a line or even an entire group of code from this file. After making this mistake, you might instinctively click Save, which would apply those changes to your live theme. Don't panic if this happens, because Shopify keeps a version history of your files. Here's where the recovery process begins. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice an option called Timeline. Click on it. The Timeline feature is incredibly useful as it tracks every change made to your theme files, allowing you to see previous versions and restore them if needed. Once you've opened the timeline, click on the latest version of the file you just modified. This will display the previous state of your code before you made the accidental deletion. You'll be able to see exactly what changes occurred and compare them side by side. Simply copy the code from the previous version that you need to restore, paste it back into your current file, and click Save. And there you have it, you've successfully restored your Shopify theme template file using the timeline feature. This built-in version control ensures you never permanently lose important code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.